for a moment about all the things that you can do in 2 taps. Get a car, a hotel, decision paralysis from all the films at your fingertips. As amazing as these companies are though, they don't make me happy. What makes me happy is doing awesome things with my friends and family. Getting them together, however, looks more like this. Why can't you get people together in 2 taps? I'll show you. Who wants to play tennis?
I'm in. Awesome. Saturday? Sunday? Where are we playing? Can we go running instead?
And we're off. No consensus, changing plans, and it takes forever to organise. Because whilst we all like to do fun plans, no one actually likes to plan. I've done the research. The average plan takes 26 stages, 9 apps, 22 app switches, 77 swipes, 13 minutes on the phone, and 10 texts. And yet still, 40% of the time, we fail. Everyone knows this problem. But I know some of you in this room feel this problem intensely. Because it's not just tennis, or even sports. It's Saturday brunch, karaoke with your colleagues, that hip-hop spin class you've been wanting to go to for ages. If you feel this problem, you're probably female. Because, although men can, of course, make plans, it'd probably be unwise to suggest otherwise in this room, you're nearly twice as likely to lead the logistical legwork of making plans if you're female. Planning is the biggest unsolved problem in the social space. And that's because anyone who's attempted it doesn't feel it. I do. And what I've learned is to make plans happen, you have to get everyone to agree on who, what, where, and when. Let me show you how we're using this insight to make plans in 2 taps. Let's say I'm planning brunch. With the what as my starting point, PlanSnap is going to auto-complete my plan. It can suggest who's free, where to go that works for everyone, finds a table that we can seamlessly book, maybe it even orders me an Uber together. PlanSnap learns so that next time, all I have to do is say yes. And the best part? If my friends don't have the app, it's no problem, because they'll get a text, and they can reply just like a normal conversation. We keep users coming back because we simplify and accelerate the planning process, and because we reward the unsung planning heroes in all of our lives. We started with the app, but it's not hard to see how this moves from 2 taps to, hey Alexa, who's around for beers?
All of the investors in New York City are free for a beer tomorrow at your office.
Do you know who else wants to help you make plans? Brands. I know this because at my first startup, I saw the huge trend towards experiential and community marketing. So before we'd actually written a single line of code for the app, we signed a contract with a company that represents the entire UK beer industry. For those of you who haven't been to the UK recently, that looks something like this. They're excited because for the first time, we can tell them what their customers are planning and give them tools to turn that intention into action. Let me explain this another way. If your phone knows where and when you're free, if your contacts are your friendship graph, and Facebook is your interest graph, then PlanSnap is your action graph, and that's where it gets really exciting. We can charge users for premium features, but we're much more excited about the growing experiential marketing budgets, and the mobile advertising budgets in the US alone are predicted to reach $158 billion by next year. I'm pleased to announce today our first US partnership. We're helping Bold Betty's, an active clothing company, drive people to their events and giving them a tool that their users can use amongst themselves, strengthening the association between their clothing and active adventures with friends. But that's not it. Our second partnership means we'll be live in 3 continents. We're helping AB InBev turn the intention to go for a beer into the action of visiting one of their fine craft beer establishments. Just 16 weeks ago, PlanSnap was me and an idea. But in that time, we've grown to a talented team of 5. Our CTO, Toby, creates algorithms so smart they've got patterns. Sarah Jane is the master of brand and celebrity partnerships. Vanessa, our designer, has solved complex problems for some of America's best-loved startups. And Matt is a rare blend of an engineer and a project manager. Together, we love planning, and that's why what we've built resonates. We will always crave connections to other humans, and PlanSnap makes those connections happen. We're here to make sure that the things, people, and places you love turn into plans that work for everyone. I'm Louise, and I'm the CEO of PlanSnap. If you would like to see the future of social planning, come and talk to us upstairs, and let's go for a coffee. If you come to our stand, we can PlanSnap it.